In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Snapchat filters in Zoom. This fun and interactive feature allows you to bring a bit more personality and flair to your video calls, whether you're connecting with friends, attending meetings, or hosting virtual events. Before we dive into the steps, make sure you have already installed the Snapchat camera extension for Chrome. This can be obtained for free from the Chrome Web Store. To get started, open your web browser and visit the Zoom website. Once there, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your Zoom account. Click on the Sign In option, which is typically found at the top right corner of the screen. You'll be taken to another page where you can choose your sign-in method. Go ahead and click on the Google button if that's your usual sign-in preference. This will direct you to a page where you can select your Google account. Be sure to click on the account associated with your Zoom profile to proceed. Once you're logged into Zoom, you can either join an existing meeting or set up a new one. For those who are new to starting their meetings, click on Join a Meeting or Create New, depending on what you need to do. And this will get you situated in the Zoom environment where all the magic happens. Now let's dive into the camera settings, which is where you'll be able to activate the Snapchat filters. Look for the camera icon toward the bottom of your Zoom window. There's usually a small arrow just beside this icon. When you click on this arrow, it will present you with various camera options. What you want to do here is select the Snapchat camera option from the list. Choosing this option will enable the Snapchat filter functionality to be used during your meeting. Now that you've selected the Snapchat camera as your input, you're all set to use Snapchat filters in your Zoom video calls. Depending on the Snapchat camera version you have, you can choose from a wide variety of fun and engaging filters that can add humor, creativity, or just a bit of flair to your video call experience. To change filters, look for the Snapchat camera application in your system tray and explore the available options. If you encounter any issues or notice that the Snapchat camera isn't working correctly, ensure that your browser and Snapchat extension are up to date. Sometimes a quick update or reinstall of the extension solves any hiccups. Additionally, make sure no other applications are using your camera simultaneously, as this can sometimes cause conflicts. And there you have it. With these steps completed, you're ready to entertain and engage in your meetings with the playful addition of Snapchat filters on Zoom. Have fun and enjoy bringing your virtual interactions to life.